Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do these 3-in-1 hairstyles. For the first style, we're going to just prep the hair by curling it. I've used my GHD curling tong, but you want to get these nice and neat if possible. Next, I'm just sectioning off the crown area of the head and adding some texture powder. And then I'm just taking thin slices of hair at the crown and gently backcombing them. Then, working on the right hand side of the head, again I'm just taking thin sections and giving them a little tease, and then just smoothing everything over with my comb, and then just repeat this on the opposite side of the head. Next, we're going to section off the crown area of the head, so I've just used my thumbs to create a circle along the top of the head, and I'm just going to pop this into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. Then, holding onto that little elastic band, just use your finger and thumb to pinch and pull at that crown area just to give it a little bit more messy volume. Next, we're going to work on the right hand side of the head, and we're going to take a section of hair from the ear up and just give it a smooth over with your comb. We're going to take this round to the back of the head and pass it just underneath that little elastic band and pin to the head using a bobby pin or two. And then gently pinch and pull at this section so it's not too tight and it matches the volume that we've got on the top of the hair. And then we're just going to repeat the same on the opposite side. So bring this section round to the back, pick up that ponytail and kind of wrap it round and tuck it under and pin with another bobby pin. Again, use your fingers to gently loosen up the hair so it's not too tight. And that's the first style complete, so it's a very pretty half up, half down curly hairstyle. Okay, on to hairstyle number 2. So just carrying on where you left off, take a small slice of hair from the left hand side and the right hand side of the head and bring these together at the back and join them with another clear elastic band. Now pop your fingers through the little hole behind, pass the ponytail up and pull it through with your fingers so you create a nice little twist. Tighten up that ponytail just by pulling, and then holding onto that little elastic band, gently pinch and pull at those twists just to give them a bit more volume. And to make sure everything meets up, we're just going to give that twist a little push up so it meets that top section and secure to the head using a bobby pin. And we're just going to repeat the same steps again, so take a small slice of hair from the left and the right hand side of the head. Bring them together at the back and create another little ponytail using a clear elastic band. Then pop your fingers behind that elastic band where their little hole is, pass the ponytail up and pull it through to give you another small twist. tighten up that ponytail by just tugging on the edges. Then gently pinch and pull at those twists just to give it more volume, and pin to the head. I've just applied some texture spray to the curls. And here's the second hairstyle complete, a lovely curly, almost low ponytail hairstyle. Okay, moving on to the last hairstyle. Just split that remaining hair that's hanging down in half and gently twist it clockwise. Then pinch and pull at that twist, just to make it a little bit more messy. And we're going to bring it up and then over to the opposite side of the head, probably about ear level, and just secure all along that twist with as many bobby pins as needed. Next, take the remaining hair and twist it anti-clockwise. Again, pinch and pull to give it more messy volume. This time we're going to angle it upwards so it meets that top twist, and just anchor it to the head using a bobby pin at the base. Now we're going to bring that twist round to the opposite side of the head, so pin it there on the left hand side to keep it in place. And then just take the remaining tail ends and twist them round to the right hand side and pop them at the nape of the neck, and then just secure with a few more bobby pins again. Add a little bit more texture spray if needed, and then you're just going to want to pinch and pull at those twists just to make sure everything's nice and even. And add a few more bobby pins if anything seems a little bit loose, and then you basically just keep pulling until you're happy with the little bun at the back. And finish off with a little spritz of hairspray. And here's the final look. Which hairstyle did you like the most? Put it in the comments below. Was it number 1, 2 or 3? If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.